Animal abuse could soon become a felony in Idaho, but some animal rights activists still are not quite happy with that. Good evening and thanks for watching tonight. I'm Todd Blackington. Today, the Idaho House of Representatives passed a bill stiffening the penalties for repeat animal cruelty offenders. But for some, that proposed law does not go far enough. Our Logan McDougall has been following this story for us. He joins us now from our Pocatello newsroom. So, Logan, what are lawmakers saying about this current bill?
Well, Todd, the legislation passed by a 60-vote margin, and the bill's sponsor, Ken Andrus of Lava Hot Springs, says that margin speaks to how serious lawmakers are taking the issue of animal cruelty. In House Bill 650, passed Wednesday, those convicted of torturing pets or companion animals would face a felony charge on their third offense. Exceptions would be made for those involved in gamecock fights where they could be charged with a felony on the first offense. Livestock and production animals are exempt under the bill. Under current Idaho law, repeat animal cruelty offenders are charged only with misdemeanors, and Representative Ken Andrus believes they have done the right thing.
I think this is a reasonable approach, and I think that it will give the public a lot of comfort in that we've addressed the issues.
But for some, the possible new law does not go far enough. Mary Reamer, Animal Services Director for the City of Pocatello, would like to see the law go a step further.
I think there should be a level of felony that we should be able to reach on a first-time basis, depending on the crime itself. The idea that someone has to torture an animal, 3 times before it becomes felony, I think it's wrong.
One Gem State group taking that step is Idaho 1 of 3. The group gets its name from Idaho being one of the last states without felony animal cruelty laws on the books. Virginia Hemingway, president of Idaho 1 of 3, says House Bill 650 does a disservice to the animals of Idaho, and their initiative could make people think twice before abusing animals.
Our big difference is that we do have a mandatory sentence guideline, which is a specific fine and a jail term of not less than 6 months.
The next step for House Bill 650 is the Idaho Senate. Wednesday evening, the House Agricultural Affairs Committee passed a similar Senate bill, and Hemingway says that bill is also too lenient. Now, Idaho 1 of 3 has to gather 50,000 signatures by April 30th to get the initiative on the ballot. And if you'd like to read that initiative, you can find a link to their website in this story on ours at kpvi.com. Todd, back to you.
All right, Logan McDougall reporting for us tonight. Logan, thank you very much.